Welcome to Mountain States Toyota, home of Colorado's largest and most advanced Toyota service and repair center. Located at 201 West 70th Avenue in Denver, we redefine automotive service. With 76 service bays and the most master certified Toyota technicians in Denver, your vehicle is in expert hands. As the #1 Toyota dealer in Colorado, we are your one-stop shop for all maintenance, repairs, accessories, and much more. Our commitment to quality extends to every aspect of our service, including an extensive parts inventory valued at over $600,000 and flexible payment plans designed to keep your maintenance affordable. While you wait for your Toyota to be serviced, relax in our comfortable waiting area, equipped with free Wi-Fi and refreshments while we take care of your vehicle. Plus, you'll get to enjoy a complimentary car wash with every service. Rated 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 1,800 Google reviews, customer satisfaction speaks for itself. Schedule your service appointment today or visit us in person. Mountain States Toyota, trusted and transparent.